Hey everyone, want to try something yummy from Mexico tonight? We're making chili con carne. It's a big pot of tasty food full of flavor and super easy to make. Don't worry, we'll go slow and steady. Get ready for an awesome dinner. Let's grab our ingredients. Here's what you need to make enough chili for 4 hungry people. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, 1 red pepper, 500 grams of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, 500 milliliters of beef broth, and 400 grams of kidney beans drained. First, heat the olive oil in a big pot over medium heat. Chop the onion and red pepper. Put them in the pot and cook until they're soft, about 5 minutes. Now, add the ground beef to the pot. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's brown. Time for spices. Add the chili powder, cumin, and paprika to the pot. Stir it up and cook for 1 more minute. This makes them super tasty. Section 4. Adding flavor. Next, pour in the chopped tomatoes and beef broth. Give it a good mix. Let the mixture bubble, then turn the heat down and let it simmer for 30 minutes. This makes the flavors really strong and yummy. After 30 minutes, add the kidney beans to the pot. Stir them in and let the chili simmer for 15 more minutes. This will warm up the beans and let them soak up all those delicious flavors. Section 5. Spice it up. Now let's taste. Does it have enough flavor? You can always add a pinch of salt and pepper. Want it spicier? Add a pinch more chili powder. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. Section 6. Enjoy. Your chili con carne is ready. Serve it hot with a dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Rice, tortilla chips, or crusty bread are all yummy sides. This dish is perfect for sharing with your friends and family. Enjoy!